Water footprint. In the restlessness of the daily life, we usually forget that every living being known on Earth depends on water. But there are some questions to answer at: what is the water and what is its role? What can we do not waste the existent resources of water? How can the problem of drinking water in every country be solutionated? What measures can we take for a more efficient distribution of water? Water, the vital resource of humanity. Water is a non-organic compound. It is a transparent, tasteless, odorless, and a nearly colorless chemical substance, and it is the main constituent of hydrospheric of all known living organisms, in which it acts as our solvent. It is vital for all known forms of life, from the most simple unicellular organisms to the most complex beings. Our planet is made of 70% water, but humans have access just to 3% drinking water. The term of water footprint. A water footprint shows the extent of water use in relation to consumption by people. The water footprint of an individual, community or business is defined as the total volume of fresh water used to produce the goods and services consumed by the individual or community or produced by the business. The water footprint, WF, has become an important indicator to track human pressure on fresh water supplies that complements the ecological and carbon footprints. The concept aims to illustrate the links between water use and human consumption, as well as between global water trade and water resource management. The water footprint evaluation allows a comparison between the true supply of water and the true request of water to promote the efficient management of water resources. Water footprint analyzes the direct and also the indirect utilization of water based on the life cycle. Unique properties of water. Water is an excellent solvent. Water has a big thermal capacity. Water has a high temperature of vaporization. Water is more dense as a solid than as liquid. We have got informed, the intake, the treatment and distribution of the water. Solutions from old traditions of civilizations to modern methods. Since ancient times, the need for pure water has led to the development of water purification methods. These methods did not remove the disease-causing microbes, but provided the foundation for the development of modern water purification methods. Ancient civilizations that developed early methods of water purification were located in Africa, Asia, India, the Middle East and Europe. To disinfect water, many ancient cultures used copper, iron or hot sand along with boiling it. Herbs were often used in cleaning wells, such as amla, Indian currant, which is rich in vitamin C, and cuse, natural vetiver, a sweet-smelling fragrant herb. Other plants used to purify water are water lily roots and normally seeds, Strychnos potatorum. The Romans, Greeks and Maya civilization used aqueducts in order to maintain the water pure. Inspired by nature, the intake and the transportation of water. In recent years, there has been a growing trend for the development of new water technologies that take their inspiration from nature. From plants like mangroves to biomimetic membranes and seaweed, nature is a brilliant inspiration for new water treatment technologies. Sustainable water management, a strategy for maintaining future water resources. The supply-demand imbalance in the water sector requires more innovative water management practices to provide water for present and future generations. Sustainable water management could provide water savings and reduce drinking water demand from the network, reduce flooding, improve water quality, recycle and reuse grey water and manage green infrastructure. Sustainable use of water. How can we reduce the personal water footprint? Reduce the consumption of certain products. For example, eat more fruits, vegetables and fresh foods. Consume local-made products. Buy from local farmers reduces the product's indirect water impact. Do not purchase non-seasonal products. Don't store or import products that increase the water footprint of a product. Avoid wasting elements. Buy responsible. Drink tap water. Bottled water has a larger footprint. Stimulate and promote the circular economy in order to reduce water consumption and pollution. Innovation in learning, changes in life. Water is an extremely fascinating substance and is probably the most important molecule on Earth, the importance of water for the development of life being fundamental. We have to be responsible when we use it. The water cycle and the life circle are one. Jacques-Yves Cousteau.